more kwaba name Adom TV Badwam Health Tips so na wotu fufuro mu kra ni Erade Adom ye nkwane ahoden na wotu mu so ye ba be kasa so be kaya ya be di mema ho nkomo e wa pomodin mu mema pomodin ho nsem tina there is nowhere was a man ye teda there be o se ye di man so ya pomodin e ho enkomo women's health aseda ye endpoint homeopathic clinic na da romo tini enya kwan enim de foi eni mo mudi nkomo wa pomden nkomo yi ti frɛ no na sa wo yare a wo de fa no personal doctor obebo 0244 867068 number no screen na say ya no afre na ne dog akasa na wo twi mu nso yakwa koshia Dr. Alifa Abdul Karim Biem said what yen fa me man die mu no na je se wo so sade yen toaso eye ma no so die nti na wo twi mu e ma ni nyina e ma kware ma so nye de Did you say, Mamma, so tea come? Dog and near more cover.
Thank you.
That's it. Now, what you move, only a Becassa from Mahon. Tinia, your money, dear Maddy, I want some dorsal. Women's health. I didn't know what's all bar, no pomodin, who's some here.
Senior Casse, a memana, only head of the house. Women are carrying most of the social and different aspects of the house. And obanso ye were different hormones esesa within the month.
Okay.
Ni nyina sesa ye health, esesa ye mood, esesa nyama bebre.
Okay.
Enti se yenso ne ye hwe nkwala no. Yenso ne ye de ombeko school, yenso ne ye benwe adwane no. Ejuma ne bebre, even though some of the men help no, but most of the time no. Nkwala no bibi ha omo ay easy so ombekasa to mommy, say ombetimi akasa to daddy. Enti ye workload no. Na se sianso ye mo bebre ye ejuma enti wo ye ejuma de no na wo sa ye fie ejuma no ni nyina ye basically two full-time jobs na wo ye enti ye pressure no ehia se ye be ye extra careful se ne ye mbema de no women need more time for sleep, more time to do this, they need more care, they need more investment in health because ye ne wo yeni ebe nyinseng yeni ebe yesi and as a sianso ejuma nso abeka ho into too much stress on women into wo hia se ebe take women's general well-being very, very serious because yena ye building up community no? Without women, without us being okay, it's easier for the community to also fall.
Didn't you also buy your regular checkups?
Oba ehia se obey regular checkups physically, mentally, and in all aspects. Because apart from the fact, say, every time your mood changes, you go through 4 major changes within a month. Hormones are all everywhere. A lot of things are different. Nyama bebre are different. Amaye. And say no bones so be oho. Neniaje. Ochina wa yes down. Already now, young kasano, your system require more from us. Inti already no one kasa body no unyin senkra the stress the body goes the body changes no inti say un take care of yourself with all these things that is happening just within your body now if you are outside nkwala ni nyi ebia nipa no so is going through a heartbreak some grief ni maami anani bibiewu ne ejuma ha no there are a lot of different griefs as oba who go through inti say un take you and a life happens every day, and they ain't mean preventing. And it's a one kasa physically and mentally and in all other ways. Unyo okay. Nyamaneba, it's easier for you to break down. And so we'll break it down. Why not all these people that are relying on you? And it's very important. So be more careful to going for regular checkups. We here. You can say every woman needs a group of women around her. Ebia ye maku, ebia a friend is some group of friends, something that enyo obia de wonkwa self-care. Ebia sisi ananse nipa bebre ye muhia na ewo sika ebetimi akọ for massages and all the self-care enye easy sa nti then na wo betimi aye within your own space ebetimi ama osa care na wo hia no so that you can have the care to take care of the family no. Yeah,
that's it. Feni ashasi o chenyam boy besa to aso Dr. Alifa Abdul Karim na oni yedi nkomo women's health ma yapomudin ehun hia ye ma die and what can every day be busy say your body mo ti say one ma wakom de ho ahia wa because oba wo pemuna na de bia wo yare won tena se e ma de nyame ye no nti be di san komo ni nyina no wo hu se nye kasa ne nkire mu na matie de wo ni pedua no sometimes ana ya na ye fasedama endpoint Homeopathic Clinic 0244 867068 ochuna sabre ya 5 minutes onze yanje ebeto ayon komo so yedase